A message delivered this afternoon from the head of the Oregon Health Authority. With COVID tests so scarce now, he's urging Oregonians to save them for those who really need them.
We want to make sure tests are available to people like a nurse in the hospital, a grocery store clerk who has limited, if any, sick time, a Head Start teacher whom a dozen families entrust their children to each day, a worker in a seafood processing plant who's working alongside others on the line, all of whom have families that depend on their hourly wages.
Well, the struggle to find tests has really been a frustration for a lot of people all across our region. Jennifer Dowling, going beyond the headlines tonight, with a look at how many tests the Oregon Health Authority is hoping to bring to the state this month. Jennifer, what did you find out?
Good evening, Jeff. Officials say they hope to bring in 6 million tests by the end of January into the state of Oregon. Meantime, we talked to a person who had gotten a test tonight finally, and they said they had to put in a lot of effort and patience to get that test appointment.
They actually make it really easy for you.
Andre Rodriguez was one of many who lined up for a COVID-19 test at this drive-through site at the Beaverton Resource Center Thursday. With appointments in high demand, it took a while to get one.
After like 3 hours of searching, I finally found this one.
Even then, the appointment was a few days out, so he quarantined in his room.
And it was about like a couple days waiting. So I booked it maybe about a week ago. And then I was finally able to get a test. It is very frustrating. It is, especially in the time like this. Everything's unpredictable. It's hard.
Patrick Allen, director of the Oregon Health Authority, says timely tests have been hard to come by.
Many people in Oregon are having to wait several days for a testing appointment at a health clinic or a pharmacy.
Allen says while it seems tests are impossible to find, Oregon's testing volume is the highest it's ever been. During the first week of January, he says testing volume nearly doubled over the previous week. And over the past 7 days, the state reported more than 300,000 tests, with Oregon ranking 16th in the nation in daily testing volume, according to the Kaiser Family Foundation. Allen says the tests the state has received so far have been given to high priority groups.
We prioritized for critical state infrastructure, hospitals, and schools. We've sent 567,810 to 37 hospitals across the state.
Allen says shipments of more than 390,000 tests arrived Wednesday, with more on the way.
I hope everybody is able to get access to what they need when it comes to tests, when it comes to vaccines, anything. Because it's a struggle for everybody.
And a reminder that Beaverton Clinic that he went to is by appointment only. He says that he's expecting to get his test results within 24 to 48 hours. Meantime, the director of the Oregon Health Authority says that the state is working to put new testing clinics into current vaccination sites that are high volume in the coming weeks. Reporting live, Jennifer Dowling, KOIN 6 News.